Hi, this is Mohan and my channel name is Art by Tamara. This is not a beatboxing related video and I'm not a beatboxer. However, I believe that I'm a beginner in beatboxing. I just felt like to start this video with beatboxing. In this video, I'm going to draw a portrait of newborn baby. One of my relatives requested me to draw his son, and this is my first time I'm going to try to draw a portrait of newborn baby. Features of newborn baby is little different from teenagers, adults and even from 2 years old baby. Differences like eyebrows will not be there and there will be very little hair growth, and in this nose area it will be very flatter. So it's good to know the difference, and it enabled me to draw the portrait without any basic mistakes or error. If you're really interested in portrait making and to learn how to draw a portrait, subscribe to my channel and you just notify when I upload the video. Thank you. Before I start to draw, I just want to clarify one thing. Many of my friends asked me, why are you talking in English as your channel name is Art by Tamara? My answer is, basically content of my channel is art. So I feel other language people also should understand what I explain in my video about my artwork. So this is a simple reason why I am talking in English, and let's see how to draw the portrait of newborn baby.
I am going to use grid method to make this portrait. Few people suggested me to draw a portrait using grid method because not all people can get a shape in freehand easily, and I didn't try grid method yet, so I felt like to know how grid method works. But remember guys, practice in freehand to be a good artist. I made horizontal and vertical line in equal distance using scale. Grid method is very easy to get a proportion. Then I made grid in photo through mobile application. There are many applications available in Play Store. So in A3 sheet I am going to draw this portrait. I just made a horizontal and vertical line of 1 cm distance. If you want to note down the numbers in respective lines in both axes, just note it to trace out the lines to draw. Then I start to draw the shape. First I start with eyes. I always start with eyes because it's my usual practice. Here it is easy to get the shape. Just follow the grid in the photo and try to copy the shape with reference of respective line. Followed by eyes, draw the shape of nose, lip, head and whole body of baby. After completed to draw the outline, just erase the grid line. I forgot to say initially draw the grid line using light pencil because it is easy to erase once we draw the outline. I am going to use normal drawing pencil with different shades and charcoal pencil. Charcoal pencil gives some richness to portrait. Then I am going to use compressed charcoal piece. I just crushed the charcoal piece into powder. Then using brush I am going to apply charcoal powder to get the proper skin tone. Now it's time to give the shades. As I said before, I started to give shades to eyes. First of all, to do any portrait, understand the colors and values. I will make separate video for colors and values to get better understanding. Just see carefully how I develop the skin tone using charcoal pencil. When we give shades, first analyze the light, that is from which direction light is coming and how it is reflecting on the face. See the video carefully to understand better. Mesa baby has many curves and bends. Just highlight the curves and bends using hatching technique. Then I took reference from separate photo for towel and baby carrying bag. I'm just highlighting the curves and bends to get some realistic look. Now I just completed the portrait. I believe output is very satisfying for me. Always I believe I should satisfy myself about the output first. So we come to the end of this video. I hope it is very useful and ended up with good portrait. One thing I would like to say before I leave. Take a deep breath and follow your thoughts. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Until then, signing off by Art by Tamila.